Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make natural collagen at home, updated. Start by prioritizing bone broth and vitamin C-rich foods, then add zinc and sleep hygiene. Use gentle resistance training to stimulate skin and connective tissue repair. Hydration and limiting sugar help prevent breakdown. I will walk you through simple recipes, daily habits, and affordable supplements to boost natural collagen without expensive treatments. Focus on whole foods that provide raw materials for collagen creation. Simmer bones to make nutrient-rich bone broth and include it in soups or stews. Eat citrus and colorful vegetables daily to supply vitamin C for collagen assembly. Include zinc-rich foods a few times per week, and add protein sources like chicken, fish, and legumes to supply amino acids necessary for repair and growth. Adopt a lifestyle that supports steady collagen production with simple, consistent choices. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep to allow repair processes to occur. Incorporate 2 to 3 weekly strength sessions to stimulate connective tissue adaptation and resilience. Protect skin from excess UV and cut back on added sugars that accelerate collagen loss. Small, repeatable habits yield measurable improvements over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.